Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this new selfie chick filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Mateo is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filters. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter selfie chick. Tap on it. You'll see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram and use this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.